Hello everyone, welcome to today's session where we will dive into the world of cloud computing, specifically focusing on Microsoft Azure. Whether you are just starting your journey into the cloud or want to deepen your existing knowledge, this session is designed for you. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what Azure is, but also how it can revolutionize the way you approach technology in your organization. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Microsoft Azure? In simple terms, Azure is a cloud computing platform created by Microsoft. It provides a wide range of services and capabilities that scale to meet your needs. From computing power and database storage to analytics and networking, Azure offers service in a multiple categories, which include computing, virtual machines, Azure functions, and app service. Then storage, blob storage, queue storage, and file storage. And third one is database, Azure SQL database and Cosmos database. And fourth one is networking. Azure provides virtual networks, load balancer, and VPN gateway. Each of these services is built in to support different types of workloads and applications that modern business utilize. But before we dive deeper into Azure, let's talk about the broader concept of cloud computing. Why are organizations moving to the cloud? The cloud computing offers significant advantage over traditional on-premises IT solutions, including scalability, cost efficiency, accessibility, security, and compliance. In the scalability, instantly scale resource up or down based on your demand. Then second one is cost efficiency. In the cost efficiency, pay only for what you use, eliminating the needs of the costly hardware purchases. Then third one is accessibility. Access your service from anywhere in the world with an internet connection. Then fourth one is security and compliance. Benefit from Microsoft extensive security framework and compliance certifications. By leveraging this advantage, organizations can become more agile and innovative and efficient. Now that we have outlined what Azure is and why cloud computing is important, let's dive into some of the core service. There are three core services: Azure Compute Service, Azure Storage, and Azure Networking. First, we have Azure Compute Service. This includes virtual machines, which allow you to run Windows or Linux on demand. With Azure functions, you can even run code in a response to event without needing to provision or manage servers. Next, let's talk about Azure Storage. Imagine needing to store large amount of unstructured data. Azure Blob Storage is there to help with that, allowing you to store and retrieve large binary files efficiently. Third one is Azure Database Service for database management. Azure offers several database services. Azure SQL Database is a fully managed database service that can be easily integrated with your applications, making your data management simple and efficient. Then fourth one is Azure Networking. Networking service in Azure allow you to create a secure allowing you to create a secure connection between your resources. With Azure Virtual Network, you can isolate your cloud resource, and with Azure VPN Gateway, you can connect your own premise network to your Azure environment seamlessly. Now, how is this relevant to you as a young professional or as a part of involving business environment? Many organizations today are adopting a cloud first strategy. They are using Azure for everything from hosting their website to deploying AI-driven applications. Take a Netflix for instance. They utilize Azure to stream content to millions globally. It's about leveraging Azure's capability to innovate continuously. So think about how your work or projects would benefit from Azure's offering. These possibilities are endless. Ready to take a plunge? Let's discuss how you can get started with the Microsoft Azure. First thing first, you will need to create an Azure account if you have not done so already. Simply go to the Azure website and sign up. There is a free trial available, allowing you to explore many services without any cost. So, I have already created an Azure account, so that we will go to the Azure Portal. Once your account is set up, you will be introduced to the Azure Portal. It's your dashboard for managing and monitoring your services. The user-friendly interface allows for quick navigation to the Azure. On the left side, you will see the navigation panel. Here you can access various services such as virtual machines, app services, and databases. Let's break this down. First, we have a dashboard. This is your personalized space where you can pin your favorite resources for a quick access, as you can see here. Next, we are looking at the all services. This gives you a complete list of Azure services that are available. You can use the search bar to find a specific service quickly. Let's say we want to create a virtual machine. Simply click on the all services and type virtual machine. So I will type virtual machine in the search bar and select it. Here you can see all the existing virtual machines if you have already created. Now if we want to create a new one, just click on the plus create button to at the top or a bottom. Now, creating a virtual machine is pretty straightforward. You will need to choose a subscription, resource group, and region. If this term seems doubting, don't worry, I will explain them. Subscription, a way of organization your Azure service and billing. Then second one is resource group, a logical container for resource that share the same life cycle. And third one is region. This physical location of your resource. Select one close to your better performance. As you can see here, the regions are available. Now, fill in the necessary fields and select the operating system. As you can see here, the Ubuntu, Red Hat, and Windows. And configure your settings. Once you are ready, click the review and create. Now, let's return to our dashboard. Now, on the left, you will see the navigation menu. Here is the breakdown of some key options. Home returns you to your main dashboard. Then second one is Azure services. The Azure services offer a comprehensive list of all Azure services available. And third one is resource group. The resource group provides organize and manage collection of related resource. Then next one is subscriptions. Check your billing, consumptions, and limit of your Azure services. This menu is your roadmap to efficiently manage various resources in Azure. Don't forget, you can pin frequently used services right here for quicker access. Now, next up, let's look at the resource creation. While we are not creating a VM today, you can spin up a variety of resources like databases, storage accounts, and web apps. Click on the create a resource and you will see a menu of options categorized by a type. For example, you can create a Azure Blob storage for a files, Azure databases for data solutions, or Azure functions for serverless applications. The setup process is straightforward with templates and guided steps for simplicity. Then our next step is to resource group and tags. Resource group are game changer for managing related resources. By grouping resources together, you can handle permissions, monitoring, and pricing a unit. To create a resource group, simply navigate to the resource group and you will see the create button. So press to the create button and create your resource group according to your needs. Now our next step is to tags. Tags also play a vital role in organization. You can tag resource for better management, cost allocation, and reporting. By assigning tags like Project X or environments, you can easily filter and identify resources. Then next one is monitoring and alerts. Monitoring is a crucial for any cloud setup. Azure provides integrated monitoring and alert features. Navigate to the monitor service. So I will search monitor, where you can track metrics, log, and set alerts based on your resource, performance, or health conditions. Then creating alerts is simple. Choose the resource you want to monitor, select the metric, and set your threshold and configure notifications. This ensures you are always aware of your resource status without manually checking. Then next one is Azure Marketplace. So let's navigate to the all services and search Azure Marketplace. Let's not forget about Azure Marketplace. This is where you can find thousands of certified services and applications to enhance your Azure experience. From third-party software to Azure services, the marketplace offers tools that integrate seamlessly within your Azure environment. And there you have it, a quick tour of the Azure portal for beginners. Existing features designed to help you manage your cloud effortlessly and trying exploring it yourself. And don't hesitate to drop any question in the comment below. With these resources at your disposal, you will be well on your way to mastering Azure. To solidify your understanding, let's look at the few real-world examples of companies that have successfully leveraged Azure. First company is Toyota, utilizing Azure to develop a data platform that aggregates all vehicle data in real time for enhanced operations. Then second one is Heathrow Airport, or employ Azure to improve their traffic management systems, significantly enhancing your operation efficiency. These examples show the real impact Azure can have, transforming business processes and driving innovation. As we wrap up this session, remember that Azure is a more than just a cloud platform. It's a gateway to innovation for individuals and business alike. I encourage you all explore Azure, take advantage of free resources, and considering how you can implement these tools in your own workspace. The future is in the cloud. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any question or need assistance in your Azure journey, feel free to reach out. Until next time. So, thank you for watching.